CRA Result Code 31 is one of the most frustrating authentication errors that Canadian taxpayers encounter when trying to access the Canada Revenue Agency's online services. This error prevents you from accessing critical CRA services, including My Account, Represent a Client, and My Business Account portals. Result Code 31 typically appears with error messages such as, "We cannot confirm your identity," "Authentication failed," or "Unable to verify your credentials." Understanding the primary causes of this error is the first step toward resolving it quickly and effectively. The primary causes include credential mismatches like incorrect social insurance numbers, account lockouts from too many failed attempts, system synchronization delays, and browser-related problems. Now let's walk through the immediate troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this error. First, carefully verify your personal information. Double-check your social insurance number with exactly 9 digits and no spaces. Confirm your date of birth is in the correct format, and use the postal code from your most recent tax return. Next, we need to address potential browser-related issues that commonly cause authentication problems. Clear your browser's cache, cookies, and browsing history. Disable any browser extensions temporarily, and try accessing the CRA portal using a different browser or incognito mode. Incognito or private browsing mode can help bypass cached authentication issues and provide a clean browsing environment. If these steps don't work immediately, patience is often the key to resolving authentication lockouts. After multiple failed login attempts, wait 24 to 48 hours, as account lockouts usually resolve automatically. Statistics show that 60% of Result Code 31 errors resolve within 24 hours without any additional intervention. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of CRA Result Code 31 errors. Start with verifying your credentials, clear your browser data, and allow time for automatic resolution if needed. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve CRA Result Code 31, advanced techniques and prevention strategies become essential for maintaining reliable access to your tax portal. Advanced troubleshooting involves testing different network conditions and device configurations. Try connecting from a different internet connection, such as switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or using a completely different device like a tablet or smartphone. Additionally, verify your account status with the CRA. Ensure all tax returns are filed and processed, and check if any recent address or name changes need to be updated in their system. If problems persist after 48 hours or you suspect unusual account activity, it's time to contact CRA Technical Support at 1-800-714-7257. Have your documentation ready before calling. Prevention is the best approach to avoiding future Result Code 31 errors. Maintain your account proactively by promptly reporting address changes, updating contact information annually, and following secure access practices. The CRA is implementing significant technological improvements to enhance user experience and reduce authentication errors. These include biometric authentication options, improved mobile verification, and better error messaging systems. The CRA is also moving to cloud-based infrastructure with AI-powered assistance for better reliability and real-time account synchronization. These improvements will provide self-service account recovery tools and enhanced cross-platform compatibility. These comprehensive improvements represent the CRA's commitment to providing reliable, secure, and user-friendly digital tax services. By combining advanced troubleshooting techniques with proactive prevention strategies, taxpayers can maintain consistent access to their online accounts.